User stories are simple descriptions of features told from the perspective of the person who wants the feature. They help teams understand what users need and why. A user story focuses on delivering value to the user rather than just listing technical requirements. Think of it as a conversation starter between the product team and developers about what needs to be built. A user story is a brief statement that describes a feature from the user's point of view. It answers 3 key questions: who is the user, what do they want, and why do they want it? User stories are different from traditional requirements because they emphasize understanding the user's needs and goals. They're typically 1 or 2 sentences long and focus on delivering real value to the end user. The standard format for writing a user story follows this pattern. As a type of user, I want to perform some action so that I can achieve some benefit. For example, as a customer, I want to search for products by category so that I can find what I need quickly. This formula ensures every story captures who the user is, what they want to do, and the value they'll get from it. Let's look at 2 practical examples. First, as a student, I want to download lecture notes so that I can study offline. Second, as a project manager, I want to set task deadlines so that my team knows when deliverables are due. Notice how each example has a clear user role, a specific action, and a measurable benefit. These examples show how user stories capture real user needs in simple, understandable language. User stories keep teams focused on delivering real user value instead of getting lost in technical details. They improve communication between product teams and developers because everyone understands the why behind features. Stories are flexible and easy to adjust based on feedback. They also help prioritize work by focusing on what matters most to users. Finally, they break large projects into smaller, manageable pieces that teams can complete quickly. Good user stories are clear, concise, and focused on one feature. They should be small enough to complete in a few days of work, not weeks. Write them from the user's perspective using simple language that non-technical people can understand. Make sure the benefit is specific and measurable, not vague. Test your story by asking, can a developer understand what to build? Can a tester understand how to verify it? If the answer is yes, your story is ready. Common mistakes include writing vague stories where the user role or goal isn't clear, forgetting to include acceptance criteria that define when the work is done, and making stories too large to complete in a reasonable time. The remedy is to be specific about roles and goals. Always write clear acceptance criteria that are measurable and testable, and split large stories into smaller ones. Always remember that a good story should be small, well-defined, with explicit acceptance criteria and clear value. User stories help teams understand user needs by using the as-want-so formula. Focus on writing small, testable stories with clear acceptance criteria. Break down remaining features into focused user stories. Practice writing stories for a sample feature you're building. Finally, review your acceptance criteria to make sure they're measurable and clear. This approach will help you build better products that truly meet user needs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.